Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's find the solution for the 22nd question in exercise 4.2. This question has two subdivisions, so let's start with the first one. Here we are supposed to prove the value of this particular determinant is equal to 2 into a plus b into b plus c into c plus a. So first we will start with the transformations. R2 is equal to R2 plus R1, and simultaneously I'm going to say R3 is equal to R3 plus R1. So let's make this transformation happen. So the first row will be a plus b plus c minus c minus b. As far as the second row, you're adding it to the first row. So a plus b plus c minus c is an a plus b. Here a plus b plus c minus c. So this is another a plus b. Here it is minus a minus b. So it is minus of a plus b. Now for the third row, a plus b plus c minus b. So there is an a plus c. Then this is going to be minus of a plus c, a plus b plus c minus b, so there is a plus c. Now in the second row, every element is multiple of a plus b, and in the third row, every element is a multiple of a plus c. So I'm going to take both of them out. So this is a plus b into a plus c. Now let's see the determinant. So this is a minus c minus b. 1, 1 and minus 1, and in the last row it is 1, minus 1, 1. Now we are going to do a direct, since these are simple values, you can directly evaluate the value of this determinant. So let's do it. So this is a plus b into a plus c. Now for this determinant's value, this is going to be a into, this is 1, minus another 1, minus of minus c is plus c. This time it is going to be 1, minus of minus 1 is plus 1. Then there is a minus b, minus 1, minus 1. So now let's see, this is a plus b into a plus c. As far as this value is concerned, this is 0 into a, so that vanishes. So this is 2c plus 2b. So if you take the 2 outside, so this is going to be equal to 2 into a plus b into a plus c into b plus c. So this is what we've asked to prove. So we are able to prove it, hence proved. Now let's take up the second subdivision. This particular determinant, we are supposed to prove x minus p into x square plus px minus 2q square. So let's start with the first transformation. C1 is equal to C1 minus C2. Why particularly? Because I want this x minus p happening. So let's see what modification. First column will be x minus the second column. So it is going to be x minus p. Here there is a p minus x. As far as the last entry, it is 0. The rest of the columns we are copying it as such because no transformations were made. Now let's take out this x minus p from the first row. So column, so this will be x minus p into, this column will become 1 minus 1 0. This is p x q and this is going to be q q x. So now let's see if we are going to make the next transformation, which is R2 is equal to R1 plus R2. So this will make this determinant x minus p into, remember the first row will remain 1 as such, so 1 pq. The second row is added to the first one, so 1 minus 1 is 0. This is going to be x plus p, and as far as this is 2q. Then the third row will remain as such, so 0, q and x. Now that you have only one element in this particular column, we are going to expand using this particular column. So all we have to do is cross multiply like this. So this determinant value will be x minus p into, one either way doesn't require, so it is x into x plus p minus of 2q into q is minus 2q squared. So now let's expand this. So this is going to be x minus p into x squared plus px minus 2q squared, and that is what they've asked us here, so hence proved. In the next video, we will find the solution for the 23rd question in this exercise. See you in the next video. Bye.